The Conservator Substation from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in outdoor locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. This transformer ensures extra space for storing oil and is equipped with breathers to facilitate airflow. The Conservator transformer should be installed on supporting structures. The industrial transformer features a primary voltage of 3-phase 27,600 volt delta and a secondary voltage of 3-phase 480Y and 277 Wye-N. This system is rated for 2.5 MVA and is approved for step-up or step-down operations. This system includes the following gauges: liquid level temperature, fault indicator, and pressure and vacuum gauges. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.